paper towel's wet. Come here, Ayla.
I just caught lightning.
What?
Yes!
Don't let me touch it.
Okay.
She's a weenie.
Huh?
She's a weenie. What? Okay, Ayla. Well, you won't let me touch it, so I can't help you.
Daddy, it's pretty dark.
Yes.
What do you want me to do? You won't let me touch it.
realize Mommy and Daddy only want to help you, right? No more jumping around. They want to scuff it up again, right? Right. No more jumping around. I didn't think you were going to do it. You can have some of the other ones.
This is like the worst thunderstorm I've ever witnessed. This is the worst thunderstorm I've ever seen. It's not bad. I love thunderstorms anyways.
Well, we don't have to worry about it anymore.
Can I see it? Can I look? Oh,
I know, it's gross.
Daddy,
Go.
how long are we not in? When you put kids, Daddy, what are you guys in? Oh, doing Grandma's Daddy? And I was in your guys' dad. I was in my mom's belly. But you weren't in Popeye's belly.
I said it's just kind of crazy how bad the internet is in general for you guys out there.
Oh, I know, it's outrageous.
Because the normal, like, the EU people, obviously there's Scopes, which he was the lead writer for a while. He plays off his phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. Yeah. And then another streamer, which he's always been like a pub stopper for multiplayer, is Team Memory. He's a dead guy. And he's a demon. But it's kind of one of those things that, like, EU people
You know, I saw
don't
that.
get as much of a chance on it.
Look, does this look yucky?
Yeah.
I know.
Gross.
I'm telling you, he's a demon.
Ooh. You are recording that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying not to get the hair in my boo-boo.
I felt the rumble of that.
Owie.
That's a different story. It's kind of crazy that that's like what you said. Most people don't have like dedicated duos as much. Like you and FIFA,
I'm not gonna.
that's one way, but that's rarer.
It is really, it is. Like before FIFA, I was switching. I mean, I had to going. Like, again, it's early on.
Yeah.
And the game started going. It was hard to find someone who was like keeping up with me. I'm the Red players.
Keep picking up.
I had to try switch between like 3 different duos, and then before I played with FIFA, and then FIFA was playing for each other.